Why, hello everybody. Welcome to week 4 here in correctional systems. We've only got 2 weeks to go. This is it. You've got to be up to date and running, which I'm glad to say everybody in this class that's still in the course uh, was up and was 100% attended. So that's great. But the big thing is this week is the research paper. So let me get out of the way and get to the right back screen. There we go. And we'll go ahead and look and see what we've got going on this week. So this week we're going to be, you'll be completing your follow-up for discussion number 3. Hopefully you already completed that. Excuse me, that's the follow-up for discussion number 2. Hopefully you already completed that before the you took the exam. If not, make sure you get that done. We're going to be looking at 3 new chapters before your exam. It's going to be chapter 9 on non-residential graduate sanctions, chapter 10 on economic and restorative justice, and chapter 11 on prisoner reentry, collateral consequences, parole, and mandatory release. So again, watch all these videos. You're going to have to take them in order, take the quizzes, make at least 70 on them, and get them submitted. And then you just need to submit your research paper. You'll do so on the research paper tab. Please have someone else read it before you submit it and challenge them to find some answers. And then again, you'll, while you were doing the chapters, I'm sorry, you do have the discussion 3 that you have to complete and submit before you can take the exam. So when you're reading the chapters, and when you're watching the video, have the discussion out there and go ahead and type your answers in. Or as I had one student, I'd never had this before, who actually hand wrote theirs and then scanned it and submitted that document. A little bit different way to do it, but if that works for you, that works for you. I just, it's easy. My handwriting is atrocious, so it's a lot easier for me to get it typed in. But whichever method works for you, make sure you get those submitted. And then take the exam. Last week's exam, we had good scores. I believe everybody passed. I don't think we had any D's, so that's real good. So kind of keep up the good work on that. That's all I've got for you. Start working on your presentation, your PowerPoint presentation, because that's going to be due the last week. You have to have that submitted. You've got to present in front of a group of at least 3 people. Things are open up, so I don't really need anybody presenting in front of their dogs and cats. So I had a couple birds once during the COVID lockdown. Just get 3 people together. Take your camera, pan the audience, hand your camera, or most people using your cell phone, hand your phone to one of the people in the audience and have them record you. I don't need to see the PowerPoint because you're going to submit that separately, and I will have that. And we'll talk next week about how you submit them using ShareScreen if you have any questions on that. That's all I've got for you this week. I will talk to you again next week. Good luck on the 3rd exam and turning some great research papers. I'm sure you will.